Thank you. Let's get to our legal panel now on this. Former prosecutor Jeffrey Gold and criminal defense attorney John Manuelian. And Jeffrey, I guess the question in this is it fair game, as Jonathan was talking about, for the prosecutor to bring up the affair again and again, trying to prosecute John Edwards?
Yes, absolutely. Look, in a murder case, the defendant doesn't want the prosecutor to show, the gory pictures of the scene. But that's part of the prosecutor's case. And no matter how much the defense wants to stipulate and just say, we agree, we don't need to have the testimony, the prosecutor has the right to put that testimony forward.
Yeah, according to court watchers, John, this bunny money, the money from Bunny Mellon, the $725,000 for John Edwards' personal use and $6 million his political action campaign, has apparently been very amusing. As you listen to this testimony about this money coming in and that Bunny Mellon didn't know what it was being used for, how much does it hurt or help John Edwards' cause?
Look, when it looks like a duck, it quacks like a duck, it walks like a duck, it's a duck. That's what the prosecutor is showing. All the circumstantial evidence which shows his intent. Nobody can get inside his mind, but the evidence they're putting forward, from the minute they put on Andrew Young, who was his paid political aide, all the money went through him. Once they put that on, that was the nail in the coffin. All this other testimony are merely pallbearers.
Yeah, and apparently this interior designer has a very heavy Southern accent. John, and they were asking, say, hey, look, you knew, right? I mean, did everybody know that the campaign limits was $4,600 and she gave $725,000? And his response was, well, she thought that was a little bit low. The whole point here being is that, like, everybody inside this campaign believed this money was being called furniture money, but they knew exactly where it was going.
Hey, Jonathan, the only thing I'd say to that is that I think that John Edwards is a gambler. As a trial attorney, he was known to put some gambles out there on what he tried and what he didn't. But if he testifies, he's going to lose that gamble.
Yeah. Yeah, and I got to tell you, everybody will agree that John Edwards was a very good trial attorney. Jeffrey Gold